This is the Grand Assembly of Gods. For the first time in the history of Karnataka, we're having 1008 village deities assembled today on the 12th of May 2013 at the Art of Living International Centre, Bangalore. This is on the eve of His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's birthday, and what you're witnessing here is village deities across the state who come at one platform at the Bangalore International Centre of Art of Living at the Guru Paduka Vanam. Never seen in the history of Karnataka, just one place you have 1008 village deities with close to 1 lakh people assembled at this place. It's a grand assembly of gods all across the state of Karnataka have assembled in the presence of His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar at the Bangalore Ashram. Hope you enjoyed this.